Living in Knoxville means enjoying 4 distinct seasons: warm, humid summers, crisp fall air, chilly winters, and mild springs. While the changing weather is part of the area's charm, it can also make keeping your home comfortable a real challenge. One of the most effective ways Knoxville homeowners are improving indoor comfort all year long is by upgrading to new windows. If your home still has older or outdated windows, you may be dealing with drafts, hot spots, rising energy bills, or rooms that never seem to feel just right. New windows are designed to solve these issues while adding long-term value to your home. Better temperature control in every season. One of the biggest benefits of new windows is improved insulation. Older windows often allow outside air to sneak in through gaps, worn seals, or single-pane glass. In the summer, that means Knoxville's heat and humidity can creep indoors. In the winter, cold air finds its way inside, making your heating system work harder. Modern windows are built with advanced materials like double or triple panes, insulated frames, and tightly sealed edges. These features help keep warm air inside during the winter and block excess heat during the summer. The result is a home that stays more consistent in temperature, no matter what's happening outside. Reduced energy bills and less HVAC strain. When your windows do a better job of insulating your home, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard. This can make a noticeable difference in monthly energy bills. Many Knoxville homeowners see lower heating costs in the winter and reduced air conditioning use during hot summer months after installing new windows. Less strain on your HVAC system also means fewer breakdowns and a longer lifespan for your equipment. Over time, this can save you money on repairs and replacements while keeping your home comfortable day after day. Improved comfort in every room. If certain rooms in your home always feel warmer or colder than others, outdated windows may be the reason. New windows help eliminate drafts and uneven temperatures, making every room more comfortable and usable year-round. Whether it's a living room that overheats in the afternoon sun or a bedroom that feels chilly at night, upgraded windows help balance indoor temperatures so your entire home feels more inviting. Blocking out noise and enhancing relaxation. Comfort isn't just about temperature. Many newer windows also reduce outside noise, which can be a big plus for Knoxville homes near busy streets, schools, or growing neighborhoods. Better insulation and thicker glass help keep unwanted noise outside, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This added sound reduction can make it easier to relax, sleep, or work from home without constant interruptions. Controlling sunlight without sacrificing natural light. New windows allow you to enjoy plenty of natural light without the discomfort of excessive heat or glare. Modern glass options help manage sunlight more effectively, reducing harsh rays while still brightening your home. This means cooler rooms in the summer, less fading of furniture and flooring, and a more pleasant indoor atmosphere all year long. A long-term upgrade that pays off. Installing new windows is more than just a cosmetic update. It's an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall quality of life. Knoxville homeowners who upgrade their windows often notice immediate improvements, along with lasting benefits that continue for years. From smoother temperature control to quieter living spaces and lower energy bills, new windows make a noticeable difference in how your home feels every single season. If your home struggles to stay comfortable as the weather changes, new windows could be the solution that helps you enjoy your Knoxville home year-round, no matter what the forecast brings.